Hi everyone, my name is Jack Emery and I wanted to take some time today to talk about some of our winter glove solutions. So starting with the 1049W, this is going to have a double dip latex finish here on both the front and back side of the glove, and with the palm coating it's going to have a sandy latex finish. So that's going to be your A3 cut option. Moving on to our 2059 winter glove, this is going to be a little bit different, 3/4 sandy nitrile dip, and that's going to, like you see here, come all the way past the knuckles. Great for extended fluid resistance to help keep the glove more dry and protected during those harsher conditions. And then kind of going off that 2059, we have the sister glove, the 2059 IMPW. This one we added a double dip finish to give it more fluid resistance, and then really same A4 cut level, just added level 2 impact. So now moving on to our Thinsulate winter liners, we start off here with our 4075W. This is going to feature a goat skin leather palm and then also feature our hybrid wind and water resistant kind of shell on the back of hand. Moving on to the impact version of this glove, we have our 4073W. Took the same shell, added the level 2 impact, and if you're familiar with our 4073 summer glove solution, this is actually that same winter glove solution with that C100 Thinsulate liner. Now to our full leather gloves, we have our 4063W, going to also feature the C100 Thinsulate, but then we added a Velcro strap closure to help keep elements out. And lastly, to finish it up here, we have our C200 Thinsulate liner in the 4064 IMPW. With the level 2 impact, this glove was actually originally developed for the North Slope in Alaska. So it's made for harsh winter conditions, a lot of snow, a lot of wind and rain, so wanted to add that extra Thinsulate layer for more protection and more warmth. Alrighty, that wraps up our winter glove presentation here. For more information, please reach out to either myself or your regional team members.